welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to make this cowl neck crop top. And it's easy, it's straightforward, and it won't take much of our time. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. So let's get right to the video. This is a leftover fabric from a previous project. So if you have about half a yard, so it will be enough for this project. So I'm just going to measure 18 by 12 inches and I'm going to square it out. Right now I have 12 inches by 18 inches in length. So I'm going to measure 5 inches from the down and notch it, and I'm going to measure 7 inches wide up and notch it also. So I'm just going to slant this and cut it out. For the full length I have 18 inches. For the side I have about 4 inches. For the upper part I have 7 inches, while for the down I have 12 inches. So now I'm just going to cut out strap. These are the pieces I'm going to be using, and I'm also going to cut out 2 extra strap for piping the armhole and the side. So this is the extra strap that I cut out. Straight to sewing. Now I am sewing the strap so I can flip it inside out. So I'm going to do this for all the strap that I had cut out except the one I'm going to use for the piping. I'm going to sew everything this way, then I'm going to turn it inside out. Now I'm going to fold this, the upper part, I'm just going to fold it inside, just normal straight fold. Now here are the strap and our front. So I have 2 long one and 4 short one. So the 2 long one I'm going to leave it for the upper part, while the 4 I'm going to divide it 2 at each side for the down part. As I'm doing, then I'm going to pin it, then I'll go ahead to my machine, tack it down before I pipe the side. So for the upper part, before I pin it down, I'm going to fold it about 5 inches, 4 inches, then I'm going to pin it down there. So I have to fold it before I pin it down. I'm not going to pin it down exactly at the top because it's going to have a kind of fold at the upper part there. Then I'll just go ahead and tack it down to it, as I said earlier on. The importance of tacking it down before sewing it is to avoid having a problem when piping it, so that you can put the strap at the exact spot that you want it to be, so that when you pipe in it, you just place your piping on it as I'm doing right now, and I'm just going to sew it straight down. But you can also tighten the stitch when you get to the point where the strap is, or you can just sew straight. Then you do this for both sides, do it for the left and the right, then you turn it in and sew it down also like normal piping. So I told you it's straightforward, it's easy. After doing this, the next thing to do is just to fold it at the down part, and we are done. Now that we are done, this is what your top should look like. Yeah, and you tie the upper part like this, and you tie the back like so. The 2 together, you tie it like so. And thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Bye, see you in our next video.